What's the verdict? Did you get it out?
Can't get it out. It's got lacquer on the concrete.
It's what?
Okay. Paint it with some grey paint. I'm going to do that wall in summertime.
Hey?
I'm going to do that wall over there in summertime.
Oh, okay.
Then I do the wall on touch like
Have you got a message for Krishna?
let me think. I've got to calm down. Let me calm down. Let me calm down and then I'll have a message for him.
Oh, yeah. Quickly make sure someone's doing some work in here. Oh, yeah. How's your work going? Look like you just got up.
So, Sharon.
Oh, yeah.